head hurts from smiling.
So as you guys can tell, for the past week and a half, this drive has been pretty empty. So I got my boy here who's gonna drop me off at 360 Auto Body to pick up the E46. Now I don't know what the car looks like completely painted. I know the color that I chose, but damn, I can't wait. So we're on our way right now. Check out his 6340i though. Thing is so sick. Ooh, super clean, got carbon all over. Super clean ride.
My name is Jeff.
About to see this car for the first time fully painted. He told us to wait because he's cleaned the hell out of it. This thing's about to look mental. He also told me to bring my new taillights because we're going to install them, but dude, I'm like so anxious. There's a little bit of snow on the ground. I'm kind of hoping I don't get any salt coming back home, but I'm just hype as hell right now, dude. So we're about to wait another 5 minutes, roll out, and you're going to catch my reaction. I'm about to cry, yo. Seriously, you going to cry?
No, I don't care.
It ain't his car, but he going to cry.
I'm kidding, I'm kidding. It's going to be exciting.
Alright, so we're about to drive. Alright, we're about to pull up. I don't know if the car's outside, so I'm going to start recording now. But damn, I'm extremely like hyped and anxious right now because I can't wait to see it. Not yet. It's the next one. We're about to pull in. Let's see if it's inside or outside. Oh, fuck me. Is it here? Oh, it's inside. Oh, are we here? Yeah, he definitely left it inside. Okay. Yeah. 360 Auto Body Repair Shop here on Easton Road, Ottsville, PA. Oof. Super hyped right now. That's his car.
What's up? Say hi. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm hella excited.
Excited to see it?
I can't even talk
You haven't seen it, right? After you dropped it off, you haven't seen anything.
I know the color I picked, I just don't know what it looks like. And everybody at the shop is saying this thing is freaking clean and sick as hell. So.
Alrighty.
I can't wait.
I'll come get it at 10.
So, you gonna be the first one to see it.
You ready?
They usually get here between 10 to 10. Okay, just call me because I can grab it.
All that hard work about to pay off.
Okay, I'll see you tomorrow.
I heard it. Oh, I hope he turns out the head. Oh shit.
Yeah?
Fuck.
Should I turn around now?
No, go backwards. Go backwards, dog. Go backwards.
Yeah?
Go backwards.
I'm full up. I'm full up.
Go look that way, dog. You can't look at this. This is insane. Ooh.
Bruh, can I look now?
No.
How about now?
All right, you can look now.
Oh! Oh!
Down for the best now. Take my time, you better pay up in the next style. Throw a rollie with a iced out, test out. I see when the time's out. Get my burst out. Fucking time's out. Oh yeah, now you voted me. Got no kids, got me daddy of the day. I be rich and no money, that's a thing. Got no queen, but I'm treated like a king. Ay. I see money, I see bitches in the Bentley. How the fuck you still a loser? You a dead J. I say you don't wanna take another.
He didn't see it. He dropped it off, never saw it. Oh man.
Holy shit! What the fuck?
What do you think?
Dude, you fucking killed me. Holy shit.
Should we show him the car front end?
Bruh, show.
Oh
Yo.
shit.
Oh, that came out. Holy fuck, dude. I'm gonna walk away.
Dude, you gotta call a tow truck now.
That's something. Yeah, I gotta call. I can't drive this home. It's too clean.
Oh my god. Yeah, I can't drive it now though. Gotta be in the garage now.
Dude, what the? Bro, this is the color. Dude, my freaking head hurts from smiling so hard right now. You can't tell through the mask, but holy crap. Oh my god. Holy shit. Dude, what the hell? That's wild. My head hurts from smiling. Holy crap. Oh my god.
Good shit, dog. Did a good job, bro.
Dude, oh my god, these wheels are perfect. I might change them.
Dude, now it looks good. Now the silver looks good.
Bro, I can't. Oh my god.
Bro, you gotta fucking
Dude,
take it
this car
easy.
is so smooth. Oh my god. Dude, look how smooth that is.
Can I touch it?
Dude, that's wild. Oh my god. Oh, we gotta put the taillights in.
Alright, let's put the
Don't put the
taillights in.
Oh my god. Look at that. Camera doesn't do this thing justice. Like, in person, this thing is so wild. Oh my god. Dude. This color, oh my god. Like, the camera can't pick it up. Dude, you straight up killed it. Oh my god. I'm like a little girl right now. This is mental. This thing in person, Jesus. Dude, I will, but I don't have to. That's so clean. Dude, hell yeah, I'm surprised. This thing's insane. I'm definitely gonna have to wait till the next day to show you guys this in the sunlight because it's already dark. But oh my god. We just put the taillights in. We're about to put the grills in too, but Jesus Christ. He killed it. This is the nicest E46 I've ever seen in my life. And I can't believe it's my car. All this hard work they put into this car. Jesus, this thing's beautiful. Hit up Chris. That's his Instagram right there on his back. Definitely hit him up if you need anything here in the PA area. This dude's a master. Jesus. I still gotta lower the car a little bit, but bro, this dude's the best. That's insane. This thing's beautiful. He killed it. I can't believe it's mine. I'm really, like, I should be saying more about this and I can't. I'm at a loss for words. This dude killed it in this car. This is the most gorgeous. Dude, I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. This thing's gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. That's insane. God, I really don't want to drift this car anymore. This thing's beautiful. It's like a show car now. Window trim. Matches the wheels at the moment, but we gotta make it black. We definitely gotta make it black, but he killed it. Like, dude, if you're watching this, I'm gonna say thank you like 50 times right now in person, but if you're watching this, bro, thank you so much. This thing is insane. This car's money, bro. This car's money. Tomorrow I'm just gonna walk around everything that he's done. Like, he just fixed everything, the trunk, everything. So this video, I'm just gonna end it right here. Well, for now, not for you guys. This video is gonna be longer. I'm just gonna skip to a different day and show you the walk around in daylight. But right now, oh my god. So nice. So smooth. You can't even, oh god, it's so smooth. Like, you guys have no idea how smooth this baby is. I'm so hyped. So hyped right now. So it's the next day. I washed it off when I came back because we taped it off. I didn't show it on camera, but the tape did not help. It just went through everything. So we taped it off and basically went from there, but it got so dirty. There's water spots everywhere. Oh god, that sucks, but whatever. These water spots are coming off pretty easy, so I'll probably give it a rinse after a few days because it's supposed to be raining really hard. But dude, the camera cannot pick up the color. This color in person is insane. Literally took the car out maybe like 5 feet and it's already filthy. I washed it down yesterday after coming back, but look at that, it's just dirt galore. It's whatever, I guess. This car wasn't built to sit, it was built to be driven, so it's gonna take a fair share of beating. I'm just kind of bummed that it's the first day and it's already dirty as hell. I actually, on the way home, just noticed today that I scratched it up a little bit. That's the only scratch so far that I've found, which also was bumming me out, but like I said, it's meant to be driven. I taped off that area too, which is weird, but whatever, it is what it is. That can easily be buffed out. It's not like it's a crack or anything, but now I guess it's time to do a full walk around of how Chris just absolutely killed it on this build. Like, look at this, it's so seamless. Like, I hope you can see it on camera, because in person, like, this flare, even all the flares around the body, just looks like it's OEM, like it's from factory. It's insane. No waves. Like, when I did the Bondo, I needed another layer to do it, and it was very wavy. So what he did is added extra layers, sanded it down. He put in mad work, and it shows, because this car looks phenomenal. I'm so stoked. Honestly, don't think it could have came out any better. Like, he really killed it. There's, I don't know, it's just hard to explain like how nice this car is in person. Camera really doesn't do it justice. He destroyed it. This thing is gorgeous. Like, he re-cleared the roof, so now it's nice and shiny carbon. Don't mind the water spots, it's from the water that I rinsed it down last night because it was just filthy. I'm gonna have to wash it again, but we cleared that. He made these gloss black. We cleared the vents, the grills, black gloss roof, and if you guys remember, I had a massive dent right there. It's gone, so super happy about that because I hated that dent. All the imperfections that were here, like where I joined it, gone. It's just smooth. Like, he really knocked it out of the park. He made this thing super smooth, even though it's dirty. Camera probably can't pick up the dirt, but this thing's just, like, look at that. He even fixed my fuel cap. If you remember, there was a little notch here from the grinder slipping, and he had to cut it more because he added more Bondo, made it basically a little bit wider, thicker. So he cut this and it looks perfect. And he painted inside too, so happy about that. He also painted the door jambs. As you can see, it looks just so good. Like, it's just dirty, don't mind it, but it's so neat. Painted everything here. He fixed the trunk. If you remember, I had screws here, some cracks because the wing was pushing down on it. So he fixed it, and he said I can technically put the wing back on and it shouldn't crack. So I can't wait to put the wing on. The wing's gonna complete this. Now, if you look at the trunk, don't mind it, it's dirty, I'm still cleaning it out. But also painted the trunk. He did everything. He literally did everything. He just, I'm trying to walk around everything to show you guys what he did because this car had so many imperfections, and he fixed everything. The big chunk where the hole that was in the car, also gone in the front bumper. All the little imperfections on the bumper are gone. Like, he just killed it. I'm super happy with what he did. Also, the mirrors, I was going to change them out, but since he painted them, it kind of looks really good too. But I still might change them out later. We'll just see. He still probably has some paint left over, so I might just order the M3 ones and paint them. But look at this, it's just so dirty. Poor baby. But yeah, guys. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering what the blue is, it's just tape. I gotta figure out some kind of cover because when it rains, it falls down on the radiator and the intake. So I gotta think of something to just cover it while it rains, but when I take it out for a drive, just removing it. So for now, this is temporary. It's so dirty. Oh man. But yeah. When I picked it up last night, it was super shiny, super clean. He detailed the hell out of it. He made it beautiful. And then the drive home just made it dirty. Also, what do you guys think? Should I tint the car? Like, it looks really good untinted, but I feel like if I tint it, it's gonna like make it even better. I'm definitely gonna be blacking out the trim. For now, it matches the wheels. It looks nice, but I think I should black it out. I don't like chrome at all, so I'm gonna fix that. And last night, when we got to the shop, we actually installed these taillights, the LED M3 taillights, and they're freaking gorgeous. they complete the car. As you can see, there's still a little bit of a wave. He fixed the crack on that side, and he fixed most of the wave, but there's a little plate that I have to add underneath to just fix it completely. And I have to polish these tips because they're just filthy. But overall, I don't know what you guys think, because this thing looks amazing.